Did you know there's a phone number that kills anyone who calls it? In Bulgaria, the number 0888888888 was cursed from the very beginning. The first person who owned this number was Vladimir Grashnov, a telecom company CEO. He died of cancer just 3 years later. The second owner was a mafia boss named Konstantin Dimitrov. He was shot and killed while having dinner at a restaurant. The third owner was a businessman called Konstantin Dishliev. He also died from cancer, but much faster than the first man. After 3 mysterious deaths, the phone company decided to shut down the number forever. They were too scared to give it to anyone else. But some people say the number still works. They say if you dial it late at night, someone will answer, and within days you'll start feeling sick. The phone company refuses to talk about what really happened to those 3 men. Would you be brave enough to dial those digits? Follow for more cursed mysteries that might keep you awake tonight.